Hi there, it's Bricknut30 here. Decided to try by hand at my first ever set review. So the first set I'm going to review is set 60084 Motorcycle Transporter. Now, I like the set. It was better than I thought it was going to be. Comes with these two bikes, which they assemble just like the previous bikes, but this outer shell piece is much more sportier looking, and I actually like these bikes. That's one of the reasons I wanted this set, was because of the style of the bike. Let's move these aside. Comes with two figures, the motorcycle rider and the truck driver. You can just see inside the truck. It comes with a little podium and trophy, which we'll move aside. These, by the way, these are all stickers, as are these. They're stickers. Pull those aside. Pull our little matey aside. This is a trailer that pulls off, complete with a little ramp. That'll be on the back of your truck. Your motorcycle will come along and probably get wheeled up. Locks onto there on a little 1x2 jumper plate, just like that. Hold your ramp up. It's ready to go. Now, truck does look plain and simple, but it isn't. There is a little hidden feature on this, which I'll get into in a minute. Can only fit one figure in the cab. You might just squeeze a second figure in there, but it's comfortable with just the one. The obligatory coffee cup. The roof does actually come off quite easily. Sticker. There's accessories on the back here. A couple of helmets. I don't know, that could be a fuel drum, oil drum. I suppose that could be either. Now, to get your motorcycle on the back, you pull this off, and out pops a little ramp. And all you do, clip that back on there. Oops. It doesn't stay on very well. I think the ramp could have been designed a bit better. It's supposed to go on there like that. The helmet's not supposed to run away. This slides across to avoid the tow hitch. Ramp goes down, and just like the trailer, bike wheels up, sits on a 1x1 jumper plate. You take the ramp off, take it away in its little hidey hole, clip it on, and you're ready to go. Oh, both my helmets have decided to run off. I'll put them back on in a bit. Overall, it's a nice little set. A lot of playability with it. It's a nice addition to any city layout. So yeah, I don't think there's much more I could say. I didn't like the front end too much. I think they could have done a bit more with that. I think they could have perhaps put different style of lights on here. The grille does look a bit big. It's not the worst thing of the set. I just think that could have been done a bit differently, a bit better. But I do like the colour scheme, the red, white and black. My black is my favourite colour. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please like, rate and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again next time.